I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play! Today, we're building Lego! Yay! Now, before we get stuck into today's build, why don't you like this video and subscribe to our channel? You did? Great! Let's get going! Today we are building Candy Castle Stage. In this Candy Castle Stage box, you get a whole bunch of Lego, of course, and you also get Candy Ballerina and Blueberry Guitarist. This isn't just Lego, it's a Lego VIDYO augmented reality set. So you can ask Mum or Dad if you can download the app and you can get to making some awesome music videos as well. But today, we're just gonna build it and play with it. Bag 1, let's go! And that is bag 1 done! Yay! Thank you. We've got the beginnings of our stage here. It's all starting to look pretty exciting. And we've got our complete Candy Ballerina with all her little beat bits behind her. That's part of the VIDYO app. And there she is, looking very fabulous. Well, time for bag number 2. Let's go! We've done it! We've finished bag number 2. And our stage is coming together beautifully. We've got these little accessories up the top that can spin around and, wait for it, dun da da da, you can turn those bits around as well. So we've got a stage at the front, which I think looks like it might be for Candy Ballerina. We've got a little drum kit there for her to have some ding ding. And behind us, another little stage for our friend Blueberry Guitarist. Hope he's in the last bag. Might have to call his manager otherwise. Shall we get stuck into it? Bag number 3! Here it is, the Candy Castle stage. We've got Candy Ballerina, we've got Blueberry Guitarist. Look at all these fun things. Hey Candy Ballerina. Oh, hi. How do you feel about playing the drums? Pretty good about it, but I'm gonna need some drumsticks. I love playing the drums. I'm really good at it. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, here comes my bandmate, Blueberry Guitarist. Hi, Blueberry.
Me? Yep, I just, my guitar's too heavy. There's a little problem. I asked for brown speakers on the stage.
Oh no, these ones are blue and pink and stuff.
Yeah, I can't play.
Oh no, controller?
Yes?
Can you fix them?
Yes I can. One moment, please.
Oh, amazing! That's great! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fun with Captain Starlight.
Fun with Captain Starlight. Fun with Captain Starlight.
Oh, what a great song! Blueberry's guitars made him fall over again. How good is that? Well, I think I might keep playing this by myself, but you can like and subscribe the video and tune in next time for another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Thanks for watching. See ya!